it's Wendy here from Wendelonia, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make awesome melon balls. Now, melon balls are something that are easy to make, but if you don't know how to do it, they're not easy to make. So when I first started making melon balls, I was like, oh look, here. And this is what I kept doing. I kept making melon semicircles. Can you see that? Oh, shoot. Sorry, I'm all shaky. So anyway, melon semicircles. No good. I want a melon ball. I'm not here for no hemispheres. I'm here for spheres. So this is what you need to do to make a perfect or almost perfect melon ball. You take your melon baller. It has to have this little thing so that the juice can escape in it. Okay, so you can use like tablespoons or stuff like that in a pinch, but having this hole makes a big difference. So what you do is you take it and you press that melon baller as far down into the watermelon as you can, and I kind of do it at an angle, and then you twist it and scoop it out. And look, yeah, okay, there's a little bit of a flat spot there. You see, a little bit of a flat spot here, but it's almost perfect. So now you just put it in there. Look how good it looks. That keeps it from rolling away. So let's do it again. You press all the way in, twist, scoop it. Press all the way in. See how that juice bubbles up? Twist and scoop. All the way down. Twist it, scoop it. Look how good these are. Guys, that juice coming out, that means that you're getting far enough down in. Look, press it, twist it, scoop it. So you press it as hard as you can, and then you twist it and scoop it. And look for spaces that have melon balls. I mean, that you can get a whole melon ball from. See, that wasn't good enough. So now I've got my flat spot. Now, when you get a little farther in, hold on. You just kind of scoop this stuff out, and it gets juicy in there. It's a little hard to see. I just usually just eat these. I'm not going to do it because I'm making a video right now, and that would be uncouth. I really like watermelon. But so you can do the same thing here. So press it. You might even want to do that. And look, perfect melon ball. Look at this. Can you see that? Look how good that is. Okay. And that's all you have to do. You just press it down real hard, twist it, scoop it. Look, there's another one. And that's how you make perfect melon balls. Thanks a lot for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you really enjoyed this video, consider subscribing to my channel, Wendelonia, where I talk about crafts and food and lots of other stuff. Thanks.